Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And today I'll be using Inteleon in this rain team, and I also have Glasscore. I honestly wasn't even trying to put him in the thumbnail for using clicks. I just think he kind of fits for this team, you know? Yeah, so this is I think the last team I'm going to build for the format before the next one comes out. So I might make another. I have more teams ready, but I don't know if I'm going to make another one, you know? So I can mentally prepare myself. Oh, I have 2 focus sash. What? I have to put Cobra Cloak. It ain't no biggie. Here, Cobra Cloak. Then put the Stellar Terra. I think that's a good substitute. And then, boom, let's go. Oh, no. Wrong team. Wrong team. Who cares that I just lost points? I don't care anymore. Okay, I'm not like top 100 or something. Anyway, let's see who we go against. Assault vest. What just happened? Guess I'm Miracle Seed now. Actually, no, I'm Grassy Seed. Some weird. Okay, I just want to start the video, man. Holy guacamole. Please, let me just start the video. Okay. We got bro and sister. Okay. Sis and bro together. So those guys have like 2 in defense. Just to note that. Sniper. Okay, so with Snipe Shot, basically I can just hit Snipe Shot. It has a high crit rate. And this scope lens also has a high crit rate. And then they die. So pretty cool. It's gonna go for Goofy. What's it called? He's gonna go for the light screen. Yep. But boom! Oh, I didn't get the crit. That's actually kind of rare. You're confused, so it doesn't even matter. You're not getting Trick Room up. Stupid game, anyways. Stupid game. So I have the Cobra Cloak. Hurricane. So disrespectful. If you switch into Gallade, that'd be so cool. Expanding Force. Wait, do I have the monkey? I don't think I have the monkey. Oh, I should have put Wide Guard. Oof. I think I might just lose. Hurricane, come on. Oof. Double 100s. That's nasty. Wait, why did the fake out? Oh my goodness. This is embarrassing. Embarrassing. Guess I'll go for the dual wing beat. Haha. How'd that kill? Okay, it's pretty safe to say the game's over. Guys, trust. I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna win this thing. Okay, just gotta change that real quick to be fake out. I don't really need protect if I have that. Oh, shoot, I might I'm losing a lot of valuable time. Okay, I might just leave with Archaludon. Or as some people who are wrong call him Archuludon. I might just lead these 2. And then I'll have those 2 in the back. Defense. It feels wrong to do that. High horsepower, Terra flying. Fly me to the moon. I can go for a swords dance. Not really threatened right now. Put on battle timer. Was there anything else I needed to change? I don't think so. Okay. Ooh, I think that was the right call. Bonk. Ooh, that's a very nice crit. Thank you, roll boom. Boo. Boo. You stink. Okay, I am... Wait, no, not another swords dance. That'd be overkill. High horsepower. Bonk. Ooh, that still is decent damage. Still have life orb and super effective. Oof, rocky helmet. Bonk. 62%, I'll take that. Parting shot. Hyper gutter, let's go. Wait, still makes him switch though. Okay. I know that. Okay. Woodhammer, high horsepower doesn't really have that much of a downside right now. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see very cool content, you can go to triple VGC for my my channel where I upload like full videos. If you want, I'm not like forcing you, like, you know. I'm just persuading. Anyway, high horsepower, do damage. Come on. Okay, is he like typing something? Who knows? You know, those like videos that are like those like VGC talks, those like Pokemon toxic like online things. Like, I feel like all of those are fake. Cause like I only encounter like 3-4 toxic people ever in like my 3 years on this website. Like, I don't know what the other people are yapping about. Like, those videos that are like, oh my gosh, bro, my team is so much better than yours. I never seen one of those. I think I've really seen a toxic person in VGC. It's kind of great. Actually, no, I think I have, actually. So, he's probably just going to go for the trick room. It'd be cool if I could get a crit without the snipe shot, though. Oh, no. Oh, double accuracy drop. Oh, cool. Please just miss. Missed. What? You could have missed the trick room, my guy. I think, is it over? No. 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 Wait. Yo. Did I just win? Wait, I can't get too overconfident, I think. Wait, no, I won. That's crazy. The accuracy drop did come in. And Mystic's fan course, that's crazy. Okay, I need Bone to Undisturb. I'm getting interesting texts from all my girlfriends, you know. Anyway, you're only set up with Inteleon, that's the problem. That's the problema. I wonder what the next format's gonna be. I think it's just gonna be like the paradoxes, or it's just gonna be like the mid-legendaries, you know, like not the restricted ones. False swipe. It's the meta, guys. Trust. And then I'll just bring Archallon on his own. He's a big boy now. It's just gonna be follow me because he's a butthead. Then he's gonna go for Trick Room. and ruin my perfectly good Tuesday. And then he's going to set up with, and then his sister from another mister is going to come in, expanding force, and it's going to be a not good old happy time. Wait, I can actually switch into a monkey. And then, like, catch him off guard. With the terrain battles. Or he can switch. Get confused or something? Actually, no, it doesn't matter. Bonk! I guess technically it didn't matter. And I should have just gone for Dire Claw into Elder Slaw, I guess. I don't know. I was not expecting that turn of events. God of War. This is a protect moment. Wait, I'm going to predict a Terra Steel. I usually don't do this because it's... Actually, no, I can just go for high horsepower. I think that's... Never mind, it's not worth it. High horsepower will probably win a KO considering God of War is 65 base defense, yeah. Go on for a throat chop. I was that confident. Oh! Ah! Okay, bye-bye. Now you die. Bro, put the dogs away a little bit. Oh my goodness. And then close combat. Dead. And then all he has left is Indeed. Indeed. This doesn't seem too winnable. I also have a burden boost from my focus sash being gone. Oh, boo, boo. Citrus. This doesn't kill, right? Yeah, no, it doesn't. Who is he gonna go for? Monkey. I don't really need a special attack anymore, you know? I think I'd kill, please. If you wish to go for Trick Room. Imagine this guy's fast. That'd be crazy. Such a cool format. I like this one so far. Well, it's almost over. If you're like, well, for me, because I like started 3 months early, a month early, and then end a month early, because that's how it works sometimes. Because you gotta like prepare for the next one. And yeah, well, I'm gonna try to get a tournament in before the thing ends. Poison, sleep, go to bed. Okay, it's gonna be like a 1-on-1. Wait, why didn't you just go for like Earthquake? Or like high horsepower or whatever he had, Headlong Rush. Like, why do you have high horsepower? What the heck am I yapping about? Bye. Okay, now the team's all ready and we're gonna win now. They will feel the wrath of Inteleon. The other 2 Galar starters got their play. Now it's Inteleon's turn. Basque Legion female. Okay, so this is another rain team. This team's very similar to mine. I'm working late. Okay, wall our challenge on to a certain degree. Should I just like rely on him setting up the weather? He'll fuel the weather war. So it's like that's with some choice specs. That's cool. Yep, I'm letting him fuel the fire. I think Graskell I can just Oko. Do I Terra? Does he have Aqua Jet? No, he doesn't. Seems too obvious. I don't know. Bonk, you're dead. What? What? Ching. Ching. Okay. Glad I didn't use my Terra. So what move did he use? Ice Beam. So that basically just guarantees he's going to go into it with that guy. Bro, if high horsepower misses, I'm going to be one angry guy. I eat that. Don't freeze. Bonk. Dead crit. Oh. You both have our Terras gone. Terra bug? Okay, Money Botter doesn't miss, so... I think that's the right play. Yeah, I knew he was going to protect. So, decent damage. I think he's going to try to kill the Inteleon, because the Inteleon can kill it fast. Or am I wrong? Yeah, wrong. Close combat will definitely kill. And then Snipe Shot is a clean Oko, definitely. Unless he gets the double protect, but he's just delaying the inevitable. Wait. Who's faster? I'm actually faster. That's cool. I don't think I'm actually faster. I don't think my Sneezer's max speed. I'm pretty sure level 50 is like max is 189. So if he was a little faster, that could be really cool. You know what I'm saying? Okay. 20 seconds to confirm. Oat Milk Daddy. Maybe I should read them in my head before I say them out loud. Oat Milk Daddy. Very interesting. Okay. So he will be the rain setter for Par on me. So I don't have to bring Telepar. I'm working late. I'll do that. Please just set up rain for me. And if not, then we're both dead. Inteleon Snipe Shot. Bonk. Imagine if Snipe Shot was like 100 base power. That'd be crazy. Gliscor. Kind of cool that like so much weird Pokemon. I'm not weird, but like not usually good Pokemon got used this format. Oh. Boom. Okay, I got a special attack boost. And then I can Draco. Draconic Meteor. Die! Aw. That's so aggressive. Oh my goodness, I should chill out. And then I can body press. And then I can make him die. Hopefully. No offense, madam, but I'd wish you would me not. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh, stinky. Let me go for Dragon Pulse. I have Fake Out now. I'm gonna go for... I won't stall yet. Wait, no, wrong target. Snipe Shot. Fake Out. Then I can stall next turn if I want Rain Gone for the Basket Legion. Choice Specs is going to be scary, though. It's very spooky. And then Bonk. Clear amulet. I see your game. I'm familiar with it. Go for the double protect, and then I can air slash next turn. If I don't get one hit KO'd, though. I just have Tailwind, I'm dumb. Come on, don't die. Live. Don't get poisoned or sleeped. Okay, so sleep's actually not... Poison's not that bad. That didn't do that much damage. Muddy water. I'll put the mud in the water if you know what I mean. Was that bars? Is that like the code name for Gen 10? Ben 10? Eat that, don't go to sleep. That's almost as bad. Go to sleep or die. That's actually better. Dying is cool. And I think I'm dead, and yeah, I don't want... It's not worth it. Okay, Oat Milk Daddy, you're going down. I'm gonna show my superiority. I gotta win. Was the original lead great? Good. I do kind of like speed. Inteleon. In Inteleon we trust. We trust Inteleon. Where does Entrust scheme come from? Is that like... Oh, it's a $1 bill. I'll get a switch just to be safe, and then I'll try it for the wood hammer. Oh, buns. Don't go for Dire Claw. Good. Dueling beat. I am slower, but... Well, then the Sneasler, but faster than... Oh, yeah, I knew that was gonna... Don't die. Yes. Oh, yeah. Bonk. That's decent damage. I'll take it. Oh, I kind of wish he didn't die. He didn't deserve to die. He had so much left to live for. Does this guy have wide guard? No, he doesn't. Come on. Don't get the tailwind up. Accuracy. Kill. Come on, crit. Do something. Not going according to plan. Okay. Oh, he's going to be left in the back. Hope it's... I don't even know who I want it to be. I don't want it to be any of these guys. They're all spooky. Okay, go for Headlong Rush. Oh, wait, I'm faster? Okay, that was a crit. Come on. Hurricane just better not kill. Oh, I forgot. I'm dumb. Okay, that was decent. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and the Inteleon team. And here's it if you want to, like, screenshot, if you want to use it, if you feel like it. I don't know. Anyway, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe, and have a good Merry Christmas. Oh, should I release this video on Thanksgiving? That'd be so funny. No, I probably won't.